Hi guys, welcome to the Ultimate Paper Plane Battle, and the contestants are the Ultimate Fighter, Traditional Dark, Momentum, the TIE Fighter, F-35 Lightning, Avatar, Spirit Dragon, and the Galaxy Fighter. Now, let's see which one flies the best from the 10-story building. Are you ready? And now, the first contestant, the Ultimate Fighter. Up high, close to the sky, the Ultimate is moving near to the window. Now, it starts up the engine and heads to the battlefield. The plane is ready to be the winner. It flies up high, but suddenly slows down to the speed and adjusts its direction down to the ground.
Wow.
Now it goes up and turns to the left. The speed has increased to the maximum. Following the direction change to the right.
Wow.
The plane is too small to track. The second contestant, the Traditional Dark, the well-known plane in the history. This is ready now. 1, 2, 3, fly! The plane has a high speed from beginning and now it's turned around, then it's gone. The third contestant, the Momentum. Well known for long distance flying, the Momentum always surprises us. That's what this can do. Yeah, this time the distance is unpredictable. As the color of the plane is in green, it's hard for us to follow. However, if you look to the right, you will see it's flying close to the river and now it's gone. The next one is the TIE Fighter. This is not designed for flying far, but yes, it is here ready to compete. After the start, it turns around and disappears. Upcoming contestants is the F-35 Lightning. It's a complicated paper plane. It took 10 plus minutes to fold, so the owner wants to spend time to practice with the plane. 1 and 2 minutes has passed. Unfortunately, the time is up and he has to fly it. And of course, the F-35 will surprise you by flying around for a distance. This is not a very good flying plane, but it does fly. So it is an awesome plane to test out. And the next contestant, the Avatar. Wow, looks like the engine is broken. So the plane just goes around and goes down to the ground. Now, a very popular plane, Spirit Dragon, is starting up. It flies up and turns around. Now it flies in the circles. Let's take a look at this. Yes. It keeps spinning. It keeps turning around for distance, and at the end, it lands on the roof of the building. And lastly, the Galaxy Fighter, a very well-known paper plane. It flies and keeps flying far away. Now the plane is almost invisible, but if you look closely, you will see it fly very, very far. And thank you for watching, and see you next time on the next video.
How do you think, guys? Isn't this awesome? Let's test this out one more time.